Hello students, today we will learn about integration using trigonometric identities. Okay, so this is for exercise 7.3. And here are some of the formulas of trigonometry. Okay, so these formulas we'll use in solving questions of exercise 7.3. So I'll just send you the image of this. Okay, I'll not read it out. We'll directly start the exercise. Okay, so let us start exercise 7.3. Find the integrals of the functions. Question number 1. We have sine square 2x plus 5. So here we have to integrate this function. So put an integration sign and then multiply with dx. Okay. So now here what is the function? It's sine square x, right? So we have to apply the formula for sine 2x or sine square x. So sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So I'll use this formula. Okay, here. So in place of sine square x we'll write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. And here our x is 2x plus 5, right? So just in place of x you write 2x plus 5 divided by 2. Now this 2 is constant, yes or no? It's 1 by 2, so you take it outside of the integration, so it will be 1 by 2 and integration of 1 minus cos, and this part 2 you multiply with this bracket part. 2 into 2x is 4x plus 2 5s are 10, okay, into dx. Now we'll separate the integration. So we have half, then integration of 1 into dx will be dx only, minus half, then integration of this cos 4x plus 10 dx. So now integration of dx is x, right? So it will be 1 by 2x minus half, and integration of cos x, that is sin x, right, by 4. Why 4? Because you see in differentiation what we used to do, when you differentiate, for example you have a function cos 2x, so ddx of cos 2x is what? Minus sin 2x, and then you multiply, you differentiate this also, right? 2x, so differentiation of 2x is 2. So we'll get what? Minus sin 2x into 2. But in integration what we used to do, we used to divide. Okay, that means we write the coefficient of x in the denominator. So here what is the coefficient of x? 4, right? So 4 we have to write in the denominator. Okay, so that is the difference between differentiation and integration. It's just the reverse of that, or inverse. So we'll get half of x minus, so 2 4s are 8, so 1 by 8 sine 4x plus 10 plus c. So this is the final answer. Now let us do number 5. Sine cube x cos cube x. So here also we have to integrate this function. Okay, so as you can see the powers are same, right? So you can write it together, sine x cos x whole cube. Now we have a formula for sine x cos x. See here this formula. We have a formula for sine 2x, that is equal to 2 sine x cos x. So from here we'll get the formula of sin x cos x. So this 2 is multiplied here, so if you bring on the left it will be divided, right? So what do we get? Sin 2x by 2 equal to sin x cos x. So in place of sin x cos x we'll use this formula, okay, sin 2x by 2. So here I have written sin 2x by 2 whole cube. Okay, now this 2 cube will be how much? 8, right? So 1 by 8, that you can take outside because it's a constant, you can write outside. Then integration of what is remaining? Sine, this power is 3, you can write sine cube 2x also. Okay, same thing, sine 2x whole cube or sine cube 2x, both are same thing, dx. Now we have to use the formula of sine cube x. Okay, so here our x is 2x. Okay, no problem, just we will use the formula of sine cube x. So from where we'll get that formula? See, we have a formula for sine 3x, that is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So from here we'll get the value of sine cube x. Okay, we'll find this. So what we'll do is, this is minus 4 sine cube x, so if you bring on the left hand side it will be what? Plus 4 sine cube x equal to this 3 sine x, and this is plus, if you bring here it will be minus. So, or only sine cube x will be 3 sine x minus sine 3x by 4. So this formula will apply here. Okay, so in place of sine 3x we'll write 3 sine x, and remember our x is 2x, right? So in place of x we have to write 2x, so that is 3 sine 2x minus sine 3x, so it will be sine 6x. Why 6x? Because here we have 3x, and what is x? 2x, right? So 3 into 2x will be 6x. Okay, then we have 3 by, okay, this 3 is constant, right? You can take it outside, and 8 into 4 is 32, so it will be 3 by 32, and integration of sine 2x, and we are separating the integration also. Okay, dx minus 1 by, see 8 4s are 32, so it will be 1 by 32, right? Because this 1 by it is multiplied to both. Okay, so it will be 1 by 32 integration of sine 6x dx. Next, 3 by 32, then integration of sine 2x is what? Minus cos 2x, and coefficient of x is what? 2, so I have to divide by 2. Then minus 1 by 32, and integration of sine 6x is minus cos 6x, and coefficient of x is what? 6, so I have to divide by 6 plus c. Next, multiply, so we have minus 3 by 32 into 2 is 64 cos 2x, and this minus minus will become plus, and 32 into 6 is 192. Okay, so 1 by 192 cos 6x plus c. So this is the final answer.